Hello everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will show you how to draw this image into AutoCAD. First of all, I will put this image into our workplace as you can see here, and I will start with this circle. Okay, so I will activate the circle command. Okay, the first one is with a diameter of 26, so it will be the radius 13. I will activate again the circle command. And the other circle, it will be right here with the diameter 52, so the radius it will be 26. Now I will draw a line from this middle up to this middle. Basically, I will put a line with 85 units. Be sure that to be the ortho command active. Okay. Now circle again, 16. So the radius it's 8, and another circle, radius 19. Now I can delete this line. Here we have a arch with radius 42. So fillet, air from radius and 42. Select this part and this part. Right here, I cannot apply the same rule because it will be an arch here in interior and I need an exterior one. So for this, I will go to draw menu, circle, tangent, radius. Select this part somewhere here, and the radius, it will be 96. So as you can see here, I have a big circle and this arch is good. So trim, select everything, enter, and delete this part. And we have the same image here. And now I must go up with this line of 80 units, but it's not exactly in the middle. It is on a distance of 45 units. So I will go with line, so line command from here, the center, 80, okay. And now I will activate the offset. I will put 45 units. And I will make a parallel line, exactly the same line. Okay, now I can delete it. And now I will start to build the first circle. The first circle, as you can see here, we have not a measurement for it, but I will assume, because now it is an example, I will assume that it is on the same size as this one. So this one, the diameter is 26, so the radius, it will be 13. So I will put here the radius 13. It is just an example, it is not so important right now. Okay, now I can delete this line and I will build the other circle with the diameter 60, so the radius it will be 30. Okay, I will build another circle here. This circle is diameter 16, so the radius 8. And now I will use the array command. Select object. Every time read what is wrote here. So select, okay, enter. I will select polar for this time. Specify center point, okay, this is the one. And the program will ask us how many circles we need. And I will say I need just 4, so I will type 4. And here it is. Okay, now we can delete also the circle. And we need now to draw this big circle right here. And the radius is 42, so I'll go exactly in the center, the radius 42, and now I will build 2 tangent lines. Pay attention, I cannot mirror it because these 2 circles are not the same. So I'll go to line, okay, press shift and right click, and I'll go with tangent. Select somewhere from here, and again, shift, right click and tangent again. Select from here. And it will be automatically made. The same thing in this part. So line, shift, right click, tangent. Now I will use the trim command. Select the whole drawing and here you have it. It's the same piece. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You can also check the other playlist in my description and see you next time.